Hello, my Kotlin heroes. Welcome to this episode. My name is Galaxy, and today I'm going to talk about the Kotlin comments. So let's get started. Let's open Android Studio. Alright, I have loaded the project. So let's create another package name. You just right click on it, new, and package. Then episode 4. Then right click, create new, Kotlin class and file, comment example. Then you just inherited inbuilt activity classes. Then you copy some code functions that has already been written in the previous classes. Just copy and paste it. Now everything seems good to go. Let's talk about the comment. In Kotlin there are three types of comment. One is single line comment, and another is multiple line comment, and the special type of comment is KDOC comment. So I'll write just over here, single line comment, multiple line comment, and KDOC comment, which refers to Kotlin documentation comment. This is the special type of comment. When you want to write your code and its documentation, then you usually use KDOC comment. Alright, so for the single comment, you just need to start with double slash, and you just write your single comment, and that's it. So you might be wondering why you want to write comments in your code. It is crucial to understand that when you write some comments in your code, then when you work in a team or the other programmer, when you create some libraries from your code, it will be very easy to understand your code. So we write it for documentation. We write to understand when we get back after a year, or when we do maintenance, bugs fixing. Then when someone or your team, or sometimes you yourself, when you see your code, you will say, I have written this code for these purposes. So got it? The single line comment always start with double slash. Always start with double slash. This is for single line comment. And for multiple line comment, it start with slash and asterisk, ends with asterisk and slash, and in between you write multiple comment. Maybe this is introduction to comment to make you a good programmer. And for the KDOC comments, I'll give some example. I'll type some code. I'll write the function. Don't worry about the keyword for now. I'll just create some function, sum. The function name is sum, and it's accept the parameter a, which is of type int, and b, which is of type integer. and it will just return the result, which is of type int. Return a plus b. This will just return the sum of a and b. We will cover more about the function in later episode, in the function episode, so don't worry about it. Just I want to show you how you give the KDOC document. Alright, we have added some functions which accept a parameter and b parameter of integer type and return sum of a plus b. This plus is the operator. It will return the sum total of a plus b, and return type will be integer. Now let's write our KDOC comments, and it will start with slash asterisk asterisk, then hit enter. Then it will add some asterisk. This function will add a and b. Then it has a special keyword for the parameter @param, and this a parameter accept int, and @param, b accept int, and it will return total of a and b. Let's write a variable here, total equal to sum 15 comma 15. Now you just hover over the sum function and it will provide you the documentation. Here it is. This function will add a and b. A accept int, b accept int, which is of parameter type, and returns total of a and b. It is the easy documentation, so this will help another developer, as well as when you sometime review your code, it will be easy what it meant for. So it's a good practice to have a comment. Always practice to have a comment. Okay, I'll give the multiple comment that start with asterisk, slash and asterisk, and hit enter. The IDE automatically generates asterisk and slash. This class example is to show about comments in Kotlin, double slash, total representing sum of a and b. Now you see the power of the comment. That's it, guys. Congratulations, you have made it so far. You have learned about the comments, single line comment, multiple line comment, and for the KDOC comments. This is very useful. Be a good programmer. Always have a great practice for writing comments. So that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so when I upload the next video you can see on the notification. Alright, so signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.